Give it gas! Well done. Good work. Rock.
I thought there was supposed to be something you could ride over.
It's hard, it's solid. You guys could probably ride right across.
Yeah?
Yeah.
No shame, you can still, we'll still walk you if you want.
Fuck that, I'm driving.
All right.
Yeah, I'm gonna walk mine. Too deep? No driving. We're walking.
Copy.
I'm gonna go next.
Can I walk with you? Want me to walk with you?
Yeah, sure. That way it'll have time to dry out while we get everybody else.
Okay. I'm recording. Are you recording?
Yeah.
All right, buddy, bring her up. This is fucking ridiculous.
Atta boy. Fuck, we don't need to get in with him. He's got it.
Oh! I got you.
Oh, that's
Up the top of the boots.
Think you gotta pull the plug?
Hey, well, you got the camera going, don't you?
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
Hey, this is where we do stupid stuff. Start turning. Come this way. Straight. Straight. Keep it going. Keep it going. Keep it going. Keep it going. There you go. Not too much. Keep it going. There you go. A little more. Yes, sir. Rock right there. Can you make it that line? Are you fucking kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me? Woohoo! I'm doing that. Hey, GoPro. This isn't smart. Camera's running. Colin, I'm going your side. Hello, boy! Keep on it! Keep on it! Come at me! Look at me! Look at me! Look at me! Look here! Yes!
Did you get on video?
Yeah, yeah.
Nice.
Or when she jumps. Oh! You okay?
My knee got caught on my bag here.
Is your knee all right?
How many guys would have caught that? How many guys would have saved that? That
He
would've been
just
the fucking
came off of knee surgery. Jesus, Jeff, don't hurt yourself. We could help you, but this is much more entertaining. We all got to give him a round of applause when he gets it.
He's sponsored.
Colin is sponsored.
That's right. Yeah, where's my sponsor? Could you go push that bike for him? That'd be great.
There you go.
Ah, fuck. That's the first time I've seen it not go. You know what they say? Every man for themselves. Ah, it wanted to.
I'm gonna try kicking it.
Oh no.
Oh, I know. She definitely took some water, but she's still running.